The second market that would be most interesting for a trend follower would be the currency markets, because interest rates directly affect currencies. Money moves to the countries with the highest interest rates, net of inflation and political instability. So if the US has the highest interest rates, money moves there. Europe, Japan, Canada, mostly the G7, I think we're G7, not G8 now. The G7 countries are all stable, so money will move there. The problem with moving money to in Argentina or Brazil, where there's high inflation, is that you don't know what your currency is going to be worth. The inflation can be more than the amount you make in interest. And so those don't turn out to be particularly good choices. Yeah. So I have a chart that shows you the ranking of trendiness in a wide variety of futures markets. Now, I use futures markets and not stocks because futures represent economic sectors, and they're much easier to explain, and they're more robust. I can't do this for a Tesla or a General Motors because they can change so quickly. They can trend, and they can look smooth, and then they can be noisy. They're not robust from this kind of measurement. So I put in a chart that I have developed by using my efficiency ratio. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but it measures the net change divided by the amount of noise being the erratic up and down movement to get from one point to the next. And when you do that and you measure the noise over all these markets, the higher value, that is, the value of 1 means no noise at all, that the market was as smooth as possible. Value of 0 means a tremendous amount of noise. So I did that for a wide range of markets, and I sorted them, and I show them on this chart. All the markets with the most trend and the least noise are short-term interest rates, followed by medium-term interest rates. The ones with the most noise are all the index markets. The ones in the middle have some noise, some trend. You'll have to work that out for yourself. But you want to focus on the two ends. If you're a trend follower, you must include the markets that are the most trending. So this helps you. You don't even have to do this yourself. Just read the chart and look at the markets because they have stayed in this position for a very long time.